Hi everyone! Welcome to Startup Sparks USA. Today, we have an exciting new startup idea, beehiving and honey production. We'll show you step by step how to start your very own honey production business at home.
Right in your backyard or estate, even if you've never worked with bees before. Honey is a natural, high-demand product loved all over the USA. With just a few hives, you can produce your own honey,
We have some
sell
of
it
the best honey
locally,
in the state.
online, or even
It
to
looks
guests
delicious.
visiting your estate. Plus, there's beeswax, candles, and gift products for extra income. You only need 5 to 10 hives to start small. Place them near flowering plants, ensure safety, and give them enough space to thrive. Rural or backyard areas are perfect. Clean air and natural nectar make your honey premium quality. Honey can be harvested 1 to 3
Welcome
times a
to our
year,
Riverside
depending on
honey
your
farm.
flowers and climate. Filter it clean, store in jars, and your product is ready
Almost
to
there
sell.
with this batch.
It looks beautiful, pure gold. Each jar tells a story of this land. Thank
Even
you so
guests
much
at your
for the
estate or
honey.
local
You'll
markets
love
can
the
become your
candles, too.
first
They
loyal
smell
customers.
amazing.
Sell your
Everything
honey
here is
locally,
wonderful.
online, or at farmers markets. A small batch from 10 hives can earn $2,500 to $6,000 per year, and that's just the start.
Add candles, lip balm, or gift sets for even bigger profits.
Remember to register your hives if required in your state. Maintain clean equipment and follow labeling rules. Keep your honey pure and safe, and you'll earn trust and loyal customers. So whether you have a backyard, a garden, or a small estate, you can start your own honey business today. It's peaceful, rewarding, and profitable. Plus, you're helping bees and the environment. Tell us in the comments, would you start honey production at your home?
Thank you for watching Startup Sparks USA. Stay inspired. Like, share, and subscribe for more startup ideas. See you in our next video.